Pinatanggal ang toga sa gitna ng graduation. Iba dapat celebration pero bakit parang may ego? According to DepEd Order 009 Series of 2023, graduation is a simple, meaningful, and memorable event. No monetary collection is allowed. Wearing of toga, optional if parents choose to provide it. It's their call, not the principal's. Kaya may mga nakatoga at may mga naka-uniform. Kasi hindi ito sapilitan. Pero ito ang hindi pwede. Ang sapilitang pagpapatanggal ng toga. Ang pananakot na hindi bibigyan ng diploma kapag hindi sumunod. At sigawan at duruin ng guro habang nasa entablado. Madam, hindi po ito personal show. This is the day of the learners. You don't humiliate them or their teachers for the decisions made by their parents. Ang diploma, simbolo ng sakripisyo at hirap ng mga bata at magulang. Walang sino man ang may karapatan ipagkait ito.